Welcome, two-stroke fans. In this video, we're going to show you some of the most impressive, most powerful two-stroke motorcycles ever created. Enjoy the sweet sounds of two-stroke power. This, of course, is South Georgia Motorsports Park. This is testing for the Man Cup Finals. Take a look at one of the quickest bikes out there. This belongs to Smokin Molyneux. This man has so much technology on this H2 750. As you saw, trick heads. Listen to the sound of this bike, too. It's wow. Share this with a two-stroke fan. Looks like we lost fire in the other lane. Smokin Joe out of Cleveland, Ohio, one of the biggest two-stroke enthusiasts in the game today. Continues to push the envelope. This is an amazing machine. Problems there. Smokin Joe gets out of shape. Don't worry, we got another Smokin Joe run coming up. He will get this thing dialed in for you four-cylinder GS fans, four-stroke fans. Here's the Superman, Rob Honeycutt, coming up on his awesome machine alongside another Kawasaki H2 750. Look at how cool this is. Kickstart. Don't worry, we'll get that thing fired up eventually. Let's let the Superman make his pass. Nice fast run, Rob Honeycutt. Let's see if we can get this machine fired. We do. You gotta love the primitive nature. It may seem crude in a way, but trust me, these things are still lightning fast. They are so light. Did you see that two-stroke jump out of the hole? Not much weight to these machines. Nice run out there in the 9-second zone. Kawasaki's goal was to make a machine that could run 12 seconds flat stock. As you can tell, these guys have continued pushing the performance envelope, and they seem to get quicker every year. They call them triples. 3 cylinders, 3 carburetors, 3 exhaust pipes. This bike was dubbed the Widowmaker from the factory because it was so wickedly fast. It was known to dump guys right off the back seat, especially the more inexperienced riders when that power band kicked in. Kawasaki H2 Mach 4 was a direct derivative of the 500cc, the H1 machine that was so popular. If you had an H2 two-stroke, if you know anything about these two-strokes, please leave it in the comments below. It's so fun to watch these guys. And if you have one in your garage, come out and play with this group. They're known as the Super Eliminator series. They run northern and southern races on the East Coast. They also compete in Michigan. can enter Super Eliminator on a street bike, a drag bike, whatever you'd like. Stock from the factory, these machines made 74 horsepower. These guys are cranking out a whole lot more. Here comes Smokin' Joe once again. Good example of old school versus new school. We get a look at Smokin' Joe taking on Rudy Sanzatera's Pro Street Hayabusa. Gotta love it. Let's get you right to Smokin' Joe's next run as he continues to dial in this piece. Oh, I hope you can smell the race gas and the two-stroke oil in the air through your smartphone. 870, 149 for Smokin' Joe Molyneux. My man is definitely bringing the R's up. That's fun to do on a Kawasaki H2 750. Again, if you know anybody who has an H2 750, if you ever had one, leave us your comments below. Share this with a friend. These are the world's fastest two-stroke drag bikes. They continue on here in the Man Cup Series and also in Martin, Michigan as part of the Super Eliminator program. Bit of a bog there. And I want to know in the comments, would you race one of these bikes? Would you like to try it? Oh, and ladies and gentlemen, we now bring up the world's quickest naturally aspirated H2 750. This belongs to Bill Baxter, who you just saw out of Texas. Arguably the biggest two-stroke drag bike advocate out there today. Alex Horsepower Hughes, his jockey. They've spent a lot of hours perfecting this machine. Nice launch, Alex Hughes. Uh-oh, problems out there. Good news for Alex, it's just testing. We'll bring him up again in a second. 783 left lane to 132 miles an hour. Alex off the gas.
Mr. Bill. Very sorry about that, guys. What do you think happened?
Shift fork got burned a week ago. We replaced it. Evidently, we must put another bad one in.
Well, thank goodness it's early in the event, right?
Yeah, we're going to go change it out. You want to come help?
Oh, let's go.
Smokin' Joe coming up. That is the time-sensitive, labor-sensitive job changing a shift fork. Those guys have done it so many times, it's second nature. Sorry about their luck, but we will see Alex once again. Much more two-stroke action coming on the Cycle Drag YouTube channel. Smokin' Joe looking to put a number on the board. Nice launch, Smokin' Joe. Let's see what he can do here. How about an 871, 148 miles an hour for Smokin' Joe? We've got more fast two-strokes on the way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you love two-strokes like we do, leave anything you know about them, any stories you may have in the comments, and share this with a two-stroke friend. Also, make sure you watch out for our video from Martin, Michigan, where we cover an entire two-stroke race. We will have more two-cycle action coming from South Georgia Motorsports Park. Make sure you're subscribed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube, like CycleDrag.com on Facebook, and we'll keep it coming. We are here to promote fast motorcycles all over the world. If you have any friends who you think may enjoy this, please refer them. They are always welcome. Thank you for the comments, the feedback. We appreciate it, guys. Thank you for subscribing to Cycle Drag on YouTube. As I said, more two-stroke action coming. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell for notifications. Like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. We'll keep it coming. Do you love two-strokes like we do? Yes, we do. The coverage rolls on here on Cycle Drag. play this back a couple times just to enjoy that sweet two-stroke sound. It's hard to get enough of that. Hope you liked it, guys. More coming.